Cheers, everyone. The magic juice is back. My old subscribers know what I mean. Man, that came out very good. Like, really good. And of course, magic juice is always good as well. Rock over here is enjoying some bread as well. I left, of course, for him. I wanted to add some kind of pulley system or pulley wheel to lift the roof. But you know, adding a metal wheel would not be that kind of bushcrafty. You know, I wanted to make something by myself, so I got this very cool idea to use some chains. And I know that is not bushcrafty as well, but it is more like do it yourself. You know. In future I plan to do it more bushcrafty way and use wood and make my own wheels. I think it is called deadeye, piece of wood which has 3 holes in it, and you use that, 2 of that. I only had this orange paracord. I will change that to camo paracord as well, because you know you have to be more secret and more hidden. So I wanted to add this pulley system, one because it would be easier to lift the roof, and second because I know I received many comments in my previous video, people talking about safety concerns. Of course, guys, I know Rome wasn't built in one day. You know, you can't build everything in one day. Now it is secured with the pulley and also 2 poles. So this way there is no way that it can fall down on me and hurt me or rock over here. Because it is very secure. Now that issue is gone. Also, as you see, this is why I don't like putting leaves and debris as roof, because first of all, because when Rocco is running over it, it is coming off, and secondly, as summer comes closer, the leaves get more dry and the wind blows them on the side. So next time I will put some moss, and on top of that I will put these leaves to keep it concealed. Also, I'm very happy because the shelter was not touched. As you see, I was pretty impressed that it was not touched. I was afraid that someone could take it down or destroy it, because I don't know, all of my shelters get destroyed by other people. What am I doing such a crime that everyone is keeping taking down and destroying or burning my shelters? But they are just lazy to get their firewood. So it is concealed very good. Now in my next video I also dig a small kind of trench. I don't know what it is called. I dig a small line behind the shelter, so that in heavy rain all of the water will not come in the shelter, and it will follow the dig up place. But Rock over here also dug out that and destroyed, so I had to fix it again. So there should be very interesting future videos coming. I also want to go deeper here and make a wooden platform on which I can sleep, and it would be warmer. And I also look very forward to this, because it will be very interesting. And I have some very cool ideas for future videos. So I think that will be all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click that bell icon next to it to get notified for more awesome videos. Also watch previous parts of the building the shelter, and if you put a thumbs up, I would much appreciate it. And also comment down below your thoughts, advices, and just good wishes maybe, because I get very happy when people put good comments on my videos. So thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Let's continue with the bread. I won't be leaving cold like this. By the way, I'm not sponsored by Jim Beam, and it is not risky. You already ate.